friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will click here in this window. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next